Once again, I welcome you guys to the Make IT Simple YouTube channel. This video is continuation to my previous video, which is learning about Python. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. In this video, I'm going to explain about what is list with a simple example program. Because in my previous video, I explained about what is list, nested loop and all. And with this concept, I'll just write a simple program to find the highest number in the list. For example, what I'm doing is like I'm just defining a variable numbers, and here I'm defining the list of numbers like 10, 23, 11, 15, 25, 26. Okay, now I want to find out the largest number in this list. For that, what I can do is like I'm just declare a variable with maximum underscore number, and here I'm just making use of the first index value as the initial starting point value, and I'm making use of for loop for number in numbers. So I'm iterating each value from here, and here in the I make use of if condition. If number, I think I just make use of number is greater than maximum number. What I'm doing is like I'm just assigning it to the maximum number. That value I'm just assigning to the maximum number equal to this number value, and then I'm just printing that value, print of, just using the formatting of string highest number. Highest value is using the placeholder maximum of number. That's it. I will just try to execute this and then I will explain the code. See here it is printing the 26 as the highest value, and suppose if I am making this 26 in the mid, like in the mid of the list means like I'm just making use of 26, just trying execute it, then also it is printing 26. Let's get into the piece of code. I just created a list and assign it to the variable, and the first index I'll be setting it to the maximum number. So the first index value will have 10. And in the for loop, it will iterate the each numbers, like from 10 to 25, it will iterate each numbers. The very first iteration, it will have the 10. So the 10 is greater than 10 or not. So if it is greater than means it will assign it to the maximum number. Otherwise, it will get out of the loop and go to the outer loop. The outer loop is like again the iteration. So it will take the 23rd. Now 23rd is greater than 10 and assigned to the maximum number. Now to the next value 11. 23 is greater than 11. No, false. Again, it won't go to the 10th line. Again it go to the 26. Yeah, this time the 26 is greater than 26 is greater than 23. So the maximum number will be set to 26. Then it will go to the outer loop, the 8th line. It will take the next iteration value 15. 26 is not greater than 15 is not greater than 26. So it won't go to the 10th line. Again the next iteration, the value 25 will be coming in the number, the 8th line. And then it will be checking whether 25 is greater than 26 or not. So it is not, 25 is not greater than 26. So it won't execute this statement. The maximum number will hold the value of 26 and it is printing the value. Suppose if I am printing the value with 28 over here, let's see. It will print the 28 because that is highest one. See here, highest value is 28. So with this example, I explained about how to define a list and how to make use of for loop, nested loop, and formatting the string. If you have any doubt on implementing this, kindly add it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day, guys.